Alrighty, hello students. I'm here right now with Dave and Paul from Encore Electric. Hey guys, getting started, can you share a little bit about what Encore Electric does?
Yeah, so Encore Electric does, first of all, thanks for the opportunity. Encore Electric does electrical construction and service in the mountains and all over, actually 4 different states throughout the Rocky Mountain West. We build large commercial buildings, anything from hospitals to hotels to ski areas.
Okay, cool. Can you share a little bit about how you two got involved with the company and how you got involved in the industry?
Believe it or not, I was interviewed for the job. In my job is in HR at the time. I was interviewed and then bumped into an electrician in a hot tub up in the mountains who happened to work for the company. And I just picked that guy's brain for a year or for forever, and the rest is history.
I started out as an apprentice with Riviera Electric back at '83, and I've been with the company for over 30 years. And I worked my way up from as an apprentice to a journeyman to a foreman to superintendent to project manager to estimating to working with safety. So my career path has been up there, but I've always had always wanted to get my hands dirty, so I went back out in the field and stuff. And then I was in a service tech for probably since 96, I think, or 97. So, and ever since. So.
Gotcha. Okay, very cool. Do you currently have apprenticeship opportunities, or what opportunities do you have for students in the Western Slope?
Yeah, absolutely. The career path starts as an apprentice, and it's a 4-year apprenticeship training program. We pay 100% of your tuition and your books. You just got to put in the effort to go to school and to study hard. And you go to school 1 night a week, and you work during the day. And then you can take that the apprenticeship. Once you become a journeyman electrician, you can take that apprenticeship, and then you can get that translates into 53 credit hours towards a bachelor's degree at CSU Global. So you can say, Mom, Dad, if you want me to go to college, I can. I don't have to be successful. And that's the most important message you need to hear here. But if you want me to go to college, I can. The deal is I'll be making $70,000 a year in 4 years. Why don't I pay for it myself?
That would be a powerful statement to say to the parents. Yeah, and I noticed that on your online profile, the GlenX business profile, you had a demo video of one of the sites you're working on in Denver. It's pretty exciting stuff, right by Cruz Field. Can you two share a little bit personally about what you like most about working in the industry or this business in particular?
I got to tell you, it's the culture, and that's what I would give advice to any student. Is lots of companies can give you a job. At Encore Electric, we want you to thrive, and we want you and your family to thrive. The mountains is a tough place to live, and so we're going to teach you the tools, the financial education, and we're going to pay the more than a living wage so that you can thrive and really buy a house down the road and build within your community. And the other deal is you're building your community, and that's what I love about Encore.
I want to ditto that too. It is a culture here at Encore Electric. They treat you like you're a person. You're not just a number. And when you have the president walk up and talk to you, and the vice president walk up and talk to you, just like we are talking right now across the street, and they make you feel at home, and they're just make you feel like you're one of the people.
Right on. Very cool. Yeah, that's very exciting. And for those of you students out there that are interested potentially in this industry or in the future, hopefully with Encore Electric, can you both share what you shared earlier as far as like the depth of opportunities that are available for the careers?
Yep. Absolutely. We're looking for the best and the brightest who also happen to have mechanical aptitude. A lot of companies have a career path, one career path. We've got what I call a career spider web. So what I'm showing you here is all the different opportunities. We have over 160 job titles with an Encore Electric. And, everything starts as an apprentice electrician or an intern. Then you become ready to test, journeyman. This is a licensed electrician, foreman, superintendent, general superintendent. That's a typical career path. But you can also grow your career into service and special projects, field engineering, virtual design and construction. Do you love to draw? Total station. Do you like robots? Welding, prefab. You can go into technology solutions and build your career in technology solutions. Tools, you can go into safety, estimating. Your ability to grow your career is only limited by your creativity here at Encore Electric. Find a need and fill the need. So that's what I would say.
The nice thing too, we have counselors that can help you plan which routes you want to go for your career. So it's like Dave said, it's not just about being an electrician and pulling wire and bending conduit and stuff like that. The options are just astronomical. There's 150 different ways what you want to do.
Very interesting. So for those of you students listening in, please visit the Encore Electric booth next week at the GlenX Career Expo. And please talk to these guys about what those different professions or careers could look like, what it's like on the day-to-day job. And for you both, thank you so much for your time and talking to students about this. Do you have any last-minute advice for kids potentially interested in this industry?
I can tell you that we're looking for the best and the brightest who also happen to have mechanical aptitude. And, it's the career options that you have with an Encore Electric compared to any other industry out there. I would ask you to think about, do you think the need for electricity or the need for technology is going to go up or down in the future? So that's what I would say. And then
I'd say too, you're not just stuck to Denver area. We have, like they said, we're in 4 different states. We're in Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, and Utah. Yeah, and we do have offices in the mountains. We have one in the Eagle and stuff. And matter of fact, the office manager or the Pete is from Rifle. So.
Yep. Yeah, we work in build both valleys. A lot of hospitals that a lot of the students were born in, we probably built.
Nice. Awesome. Thank you so much, David and Paul, and we look forward to seeing you next week.
Right on. Take care.
All right. Looking forward to seeing you next week.